Welcome back to MRDC. Coach Corey in our Mooresville natatorium. Today, another diving dryland drill and tip. We call these opposition rhythm drills. These work on the hurdle timing with the leg press in unison of the arm raise. Please remember, anytime that board goes down, our arms are going up. And the force of the arms going up against the gravity helps us increase the amount of force we put down into the board, which we're gonna get more back out. Okay, as long as you can stay on the board, get to magic position, and ride. Diving is not a jumping sport, it's a riding sport. So all you have to do is load the board, get to position, and stand up, okay? Then all we have to do is change the timing and direction of our connection, and we're good to go for all those other categories. So today, I have a little balance ball. This is actually from Amazon Basics. Lots of goodies on Amazon. So this is just a balance ball that has some ridges that are there for friction and that. And you can use this for balancing. You can use this for ankle strengthening, knee strengthening. I also have a BOSU ball. So either one of these can be used. You can do these without the balance ball to start off. And most of the time, that's exactly what we do with divers. We have stations where they're doing repetition, because repetition is the mother of all learning. Divers get in a good position. Arms are down to the side or slightly behind, palms down. And we're gonna raise the arms as we bend the knees together into hurdle position. So we bend together with the raise, straight together. Bend together, straight together. Very important, because as the diver drops down into the hurdle, we bend together, okay? That knee then has to maintain that angle of depression and hold and resist. And a lot of divers extend their knee before they get their arms through, creating that forward momentum. Now we are tipped at the top of the hurdle and we are not in balance, so we cannot ride the board and stand up. So we practice on that bend together, straight together, okay? And once we get good with that timing, we can then add the balance issues. I like to start the divers off with a light. This is a PVC pipe. This is very light, but this is for structural position. They can put this on their shoulders. This allows them to keep their shoulders more square, so we're not getting into that round or too much of the concave position. Divers can make sure that they train with both legs if they would like to, so we can make sure that that strength on both sides of the hips is there. Divers can place one foot on, and what they're going to do from here is they're going to bend together, straight together, bend together, straight together. And as they're doing this, that ankle down there is getting a pretty good workout as well. This BOSU ball needs just a little bit of air in it, and these would be much better working through that. And once we get pretty good, we can go for the light bar. This here is a 20-pound bar. A lot of times we may want to have them drop back down, and they can do those without the balance device, and then they can build their way back up to doing it with the balance device. Bend together, straight together. And those arms want to be high wide, palms out, and we want to make sure that we're focusing on stepping down on the way up, which is breaking the string. So these are simple opposition rhythm drills. Bend together, straighten together. This will help your position, your strength, and that top of your hurdle that we really need to improve the amount of force we can get out of the board so that we can get that next optional on your goal list. Thanks again for joining us here today with your diving dryland drills tips from Coach Corey Irvin here at MRDC. See you again.